for this project to be the easiest for you to understand, you need to attempt to draw an acute scalene triangle. That's going to make all 9 points visible. If you draw an isosceles triangle or a right triangle, some points will be double concurrent. That means they'll be hidden. Crazy. So don't do that. So to draw an acute scalene triangle, I recommend point, point, point. Okay? And then you'll use your straight edge to connect those points. From here to here, from here to here, from here to here. Believe it or not, you receive 10 points for drawing a triangle on your project. Nice. You already have points in the bank. Yes, right? Yes. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to ask you to construct a perpendicular bisector. Is one construction repeated 3 times. You know your construction is correct when you have a circumcenter created. That means all 3 lines meet at one point. So to do this construction, pick a side. I'm going to pick this side right here. That's going to be side 1 for me. You place your pivot point on the vertex of the triangle. You make sure that your compass goes more than halfway across the triangle. Okay? You swing an arc down. You swing an arc up. Without changing the radius of your compass, you move to the other side. And you draw an arc with the same radius. At this point, your construction is complete. All you have to do is draw the line now. You must draw the line that connects the intersection of the 2 arcs. From here, I'm going to change color so you can see it. From here to here. This line right here is your perpendicular bisector. Okay. Any confusion right now? So you must shift to another side of your triangle and regenerate the same construction. So now, I'm going to go to this side. Make sure my pivot point goes more than halfway across. Does that look good to you? Yes. I'm going to change color so we don't get lost. Swing an arc down and up. Without changing the radius, move to the other side. Who's lost right now?
I'm good. You just didn't change colors.
I know, right? Sorry. So the intersection of this arc and this arc is the construction of my perpendicular bisector. I will attempt to change colors from here to here, all the way through to the other side. I hope, dear baby Jesus, that my next line goes through that intersection right there. Okay? I'm going to attempt to change colors. Do you see how many lines we have right now? It's confusing, right?
Yeah.
So I am going to allow you to lightly erase some of these lines. Okay? That way that there's no confusion on what's going on. And with a pencil, come on, Baker, you can do it.
Push it to the limit.
Okay, so I've bisected this side. I've bisected this side. I must bisect the last side. So move to this location. Make sure my compass is more than halfway across. Does it look like it's more than halfway? Yeah. I'm going to go a little more. So swing an arc down. Swing an arc up. Without changing the radius of my compass, move to this side. The intersection from here to here, holy, he did it.
Nice.
Right? That 1 point is your circumcenter. That 1 point is worth 10 points. 10 points for that. Okay? And you can always fold your triangle and make that happen just to double check. So I'm going to erase these lines real quick. I'm going to get them out of the way. Now, theoretically, what should happen if you're correct is you can place your pivot point on the circumcenter. You can extend your pencil to a vertex. Does it go circumcenter to vertex?
Yes.
I should be able to.
That is amazing.
Holy.
Draw a perfect circle that hits all three vertices.
Is that one construction?
That is one construction. You are left with one more after that.
Isn't it in the same?
No, that's 10 points.
So you get a 20.
Or
We're
a 30.
subtracting down from 100. So if you don't do that, you're at a 90.
That whole triangle is 10 points.
You don't draw a triangle, you're probably going to get a 0 because you can't do anything else.
Wait, that whole construction right there is 10 points.
Yes. This point, the circumcenter, is 10 points. When you draw the orthocenter, that is 10 points. Okay? When you find the midpoint between your circumcenter and orthocenter, that is 10 points. If that location is correct, it should generate a 9-point circle. So sneakily, what I'm trying to tell you is, this grade you can get to 60.
Oh.
So I'm not trying to make this a stressful event. It's a 2-day in-class project. This is the first time in 10 years I've done this. I'm allowing some flexibility. Does that seem impossible? There's so many instant checks. Does your circle circumscribe your triangle? Yes. My circumcenter is in the right point. Do all 3 points meet at the same location? Yes, my circumcenter is valid. At that point, you're done, and you move on to the next one. So I'm going to stop the video